IP config, and I'm gonna ping the gateway from this. So ping 192.168.100.254, and I got a full reply as well. Excellent. Now you will need a gateway if you are traveling from one network and you're going to different network. Every interface on the router is considered a different network, so that's a different network. So if you go to that network from the PC, you have to go to the gateway. But if this PC is communicating with this laptop, that's in the same network, so they don't need to send data to the router. Okay, now we can do it that way, the way we went to ping. So just go inside the device, open the command prompt and do the ping. For quick, if you want to do it like quickly, just see if it's working. If you have a ping, you can just click on the PDU here, select the PC, and then select the device that you want to ping. You want to test the connectivity. So for example, the router. And as you can see down here, it says successful. Everything worked from PC to the router. Now that's a real time. Yeah? The packet is going to go and then come back in a real time. Delete that. So select that packet and delete. Now we have another mode here called a simulation mode. The simulation is the time is standing still. Nothing will move forward until you actually press this forward. So there's different type of packets visible. So select this edit filter and different packets available for us. If you select this show all none, it will remove all the packets, and then you can select only the packets that you want to see. For example, for ping, just ICMP. Okay, now if I repeat the same process, so click the packet envelope, then click on the PC, then click on the device I want to ping. See the packet or the envelope is just standing still. Nothing is happening, right? Until I click capture forward. Then the packet will move. Then the next one, okay, no animation. So that's why it's going a bit crazy. Let's go and put the animation back. So option, preferences, show animation. Okay, again, I'm going to ping from the PC to the router. So you can see the packet the way they're flowing. Capture forward. It's going to go to the hub. Hub is going to send it to every other port apart from the port they came in on. Just switch 0 now it's going to send it to, and switch is going to forward it to the router. So as you can see, it's great because we can identify exactly where the packets are going or not going on this case. Okay, when the packet comes back to the PC, then we have a successful. Okay, delete. Now I'm going to ping from PC to the laptop. So I can go capture forward and keep going. I can do it quickly. I can auto capture. So just keep going forward. I can go back. I can reset the simulation. Okay, now delete this. If I want to ping the PC now from PC to the laptop, and for example with the name rather than IP address, because we have a DNS server, so I have to go to PC. But let me just see what was in the DNS. So we said DNS, set the laptop 1, the record. Okay, so go to PC, command prompt, ping laptop 1, press enter. Now the packet is not going to go because we are actually waiting to say capture forward. Okay, so what we want to see some other packets as well. I want to see DNS here. Where's my DNS? Here. I want to see the DNS packets. So on this window you can see what type of the packets are. So at the moment we have a DNS. So this PC is going to go to the different network. It's going to ask the DNS what is the IP address for laptop 1. DNS is going to resolve that, send the packet back to the PC, and then the PC will ping the laptop. Okay, so capture forward again. So as you can see, all these are DNS packets. Okay, DNS is going to reply now. Okay, now the PC's got the 2 packets. It's got the DNS that has been replied, which is successful, and it's creating a new ping packet, ICMP packet, and then it will ping the laptop. Okay, the laptop will reply. Okay, that's good. A success. Okay, everything worked. Now we'll go back to the real time. For example, say that this is in a different place. For example, this is in Europe. I can put like a drawing here that is representing Europe. So go to here. No. Okay, slipped my mind there a little bit. Okay, let's see. Set tile background here, and we can find out the image, where is the image saved. Okay, so if I go to, I can just browse for the image I have. So browse, new folder. Here we go. One of the image, and then move it around like that would be on this. That would be the root. Okay, so I can reset this, so I don't have to keep that image. Now if you want to, for example, simulate the internet, so say that you have few routers here, and now that will be the internet, for example, and let's just bring this so we can see it, and say this will be Europe. Here, for example, you can logically, like, or for example, combine these ones, create a new cluster. So here, for example, on this cluster, I'll say internet. And then I'll connect the routers, my routers, to the internet. For example, do the connection here, fast Ethernet or crossover will be here. So I'm going to connect 2 same devices, fast Ethernet with router 7, fast Ethernet. You can see that I'm actually connecting to the internet cloud. If you want to access that cloud, just click in there. Now you're accessing the cloud. You can see there it says internet. You can go back, that's the root, the cloud. You can create other clouds, new cluster, backbone, maybe, and connect this with the other cloud. So go to crossover, router 7 fast Ethernet with router 9 fast Ethernet. So now if I go there, you can see that I'm in the back one. I can go back to the internet and back to the root. Okay, the last thing I want to show you is you can, I want to delete all these 3. Yeah, uncluster this. Delete this, everything. Okay, the last thing is multi-cluster. So multi-user connection. If you have for example, 2 students, they can set up a multi-user, but both of them, they will connect to each other with the 2 computers. So one side of the computer will have like incoming or outgoing. So incoming connection, you're waiting for the other side to connect to you. And the peer 2, for example, will have the outgoing. The outgoing, you need to put the IP address of this machine here, wherever it's running. So it could be on it has to be on your local network. So say 10.1.1.100. The port number, you can leave it to default, and port name, don't need to connect it to add anything there. Just press connect, and now it's going to try to connect with the other side. Right. So the connection, for example, on this peer, I'm going to connect the fast Ethernet with this, and then I bring another router on this side. This will be the second PC, and because we're going to connect, we are going to connect. And through the network, these 2 PCs together, it has to be crossover cable, right? And if they were in 2 different PCs, there will be a link in there because you got an IP address, and this one is actually waiting for that connection. Okay, that was it. Helping you or showing you how to use a packet tracer. Here, for example, view, minus, plus, go back, go forward, so on. There you can get, you can see these yourself, and you can print this lab. This is a logical representation. We can have a physical interpretation of the network. Not that much. We're not going to use it in our studies. We're going to stick on the logical representation. Okay, thank you very much. This has been Astrid Krasniqi helping you or showing you how to configure devices through the packet tracer for learning purposes. See you. Thank you very much. Bye.